Hey everyone, welcome to Web Critique Hub, your space to discuss, dissect, and discover what makes websites truly user-friendly. My name is Prabhat Shastri Vemparala, and as you can see here in the About Me section, I'm a computer science and data science major, passionate about bridging the gap between web developers and everyday users. My target audience is literally anyone in the world who has a technological device which they use to surf the web and access websites. The URL for my website is webcritiquehub.wordpress.com, which you can even find in the description of this video. I know that everyone does not come from a technical background, so the main aim of this tutorial is to show everyone how to analyze any website using basic UI and UX principles. Whether you're a techie or just a regular internet surfer, you'll walk away knowing how to assess navigation, readability, layout, and mobile responsiveness, the key ingredients for a good website. The first component is navigation, so let's start with it. Here on Amazon's homepage, notice how the top menu bar gives you quick access to major categories like today's deals, customer service, and bestsellers, and even your cart. Even better, the search bar is right in front of you in the center, because Amazon knows that the people who come onto its website usually end up searching for their products, and that's the main way for them to get to the product that they're looking for. Good navigation should be fast and intuitive. As soon as you see the website, you know it. Follow your gut feeling. Can you navigate this website? Yes or no? That's your cue. Now let's look at the second component, which is readability and layout. I use the search bar to look for TVs, and these are the results which I got. Now look at this page. The font is clean, easy to read. Key details like price, shipping, and product features are visible without needing to scroll too much for each product, even the reviews over here. Now notice that they use white space so smartly. That's because even though there's a lot of information in the page doesn't feel crammed with a lot of data. And the same thing goes for the expanded products page, where everything that's important and that's relevant is given here. And then if you're a stickler for details, you have more details down here and options too. Now, the third and most important component according to me is mobile responsiveness. Not everyone looks at websites on laptops. Most people have just access to mobile phones, so it's very important that your website works on both your phone and your laptops. So now the way to look at this is that you click on inspect, and see this option here that toggles it between the website desktop view and mobile view. Click on it, and this gives you the mobile view. Over here you can see that when we shrink the screen, the design adapts. The search bar is still at the top, the logo is still here, the menus collapse. As you could have seen earlier that the number of options over here were too many, but now they have shrunk and gone to here. And when you click on all, that's when everything opens up for you. Amazon makes sure that shopping is just as easy on your phone as your laptop, because there's a critical factor in 2025 where more than half of online traffic, according to research studies, comes from mobile devices. If you want to dive even deeper into this, then you can use developer tools like PageSpeed Insights, which gives you insights about how fast the website's loading on desktop, on mobile, and gives you the vital web assessments and gives it a score out of 100, which basically shows how well your website's doing. So you can take a look at this too. Obviously, this topic is based completely on people's opinions, and everyone has the right to think differently, and everyone thinks differently. So that's what Web Critique Hub is for, a platform where everyone gets together, discusses the flaws, the good things, and improvements in a website that are required, and basically it's to make an everyday user feel heard. So the next time you visit a website, let it be Amazon, let it be any other website, let it be a small business website, think like a UX reviewer. Is it easy to navigate, clear to read, mobile friendly, fast? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends and post your own website critiques on Web Critique Hub. See you there, and looking forward to interact with you. Thank you so much. Come join me on this journey.